What is up guys, Shrika here from the Pro Review channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to replace the power button of your Asus Zenfone 5. So as you can see, my power button is totally damaged over here. So now we'll be replacing it with the new power button. I ordered it from China, so it took me 30 days. That's ebay.com. So now let's start. Now let's test all the buttons. Coming on to the power button, it's working, and the volume up and volume down. Everything is good. Thanks for watching this video guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, that's Pro Review, and there'll be many more videos coming up. Thanks for watching and peace out.